Chinese ambassador to the United States, Feng, has called on the two sides to draw inspiration and wisdom from their ping-pong diplomacy over 5 decades ago. The ambassador made such remarks during a recent event held by the Chinese embassy in the United States to commemorate the 52nd anniversary of ping-pong diplomacy.
The China-US relationship today is again at a new crossroads. The era is calling on us to draw wisdom and strength from ping-pong diplomacy, stabilize and improve the relationship and ensure its sound, stable and sustainable development, so as to reinsure our peoples and the world. We need to re-break the ice between our countries. Since China and the United States managed to break the 22-year-long ice 52 years ago, we should have even greater confidence today to shake off the Cold War mentality, defy the political correctness, and leap across the trap of major country conflict.
He also urged the two sides to reinvigorate exchanges between their peoples and embark on a new journey in the China-US relationship.
The summit in San Francisco is not a finish line, but a new starting point for bilateral relations. The pressing priority is to follow up on the meeting, enhance whole process management, and in particular, faithfully implement the common understandings reached between our two presidents, so as to stabilize and improve the bilateral relationship, turn the San Francisco vision into reality, and benefit both countries and the world.
At the event in the embassy, a mixed team-friendly game was played to look back at history and renew the goodwill between the Chinese and American people.